Good morning, my wonderful friends in the Dbimmer Reliefnett community. We often believe that being nice will lead to happiness and success. We are taught this from a young age. Be polite, be agreeable, and good things will come your way. But life isn't always so straightforward. The world doesn't always reward kindness in the way we expect. In fact, sometimes being too nice can hold us back. It can prevent us from setting healthy boundaries or pursuing our goals assertively. Society conditions us to seek approval and avoid conflict. We are taught to equate niceness with goodness, and to fear being perceived as difficult or demanding. This can lead us to prioritize the comfort of others over our own needs and aspirations. In the long run, this can leave us feeling unfulfilled and resentful. True fulfillment comes from pursuing our own path, even when it means going against the grain. Adversity is an inevitable part of life. It touches everyone, regardless of their background, status, or disposition. It comes in many forms: loss, failure, disappointment, illness, and countless other challenges. These experiences can be painful and disorienting. They can shake our sense of self and make us question everything we thought we knew. But adversity also has the power to reveal our true strength. When we face difficult situations, we discover what we are truly capable of. We learn to dig deep, to persevere, and to find resilience we never knew we possessed. It is in these moments of struggle that our character is forged and refined. We emerge from these trials stronger, wiser, and more compassionate human beings. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that originated in Greece, offers a powerful framework for navigating adversity. At its core, Stoicism teaches us that we cannot control everything that happens to us, but we can control how we respond. It encourages us to focus on what is within our control, our thoughts, emotions, and actions. By accepting what we cannot change and focusing on our own responses, we can find tranquility even in the midst of chaos. Stoicism does not advocate for a passive acceptance of suffering. Instead, it encourages us to view challenges as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Obstacles are not roadblocks, but rather detours on the path to a more resilient and fulfilling life. By embracing the Stoic principles of acceptance, resilience, and virtue, we can transform adversity from a source of suffering into a catalyst for personal transformation. Every challenge we face, every setback we encounter is an opportunity to cultivate resilience. Resilience is not something we are born with. It is a muscle that is strengthened through repeated exposure to adversity. Each time we face a challenge and overcome it, we build our capacity for handling future difficulties. We develop a deep-seated belief in our ability to navigate whatever life throws our way. This process of facing and overcoming challenges is not about seeking out suffering. It is about developing the mental and emotional fortitude to handle the inevitable difficulties that life presents. When we embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, we transform our relationship with adversity. We cease to be victims of circumstance and become active participants in shaping our own destiny. Just keep moving.